Hello, Del here again. Today I want to show you a quick do-it-yourself flooring install. We're going to put in some wood snap flooring, quick snap flooring. You can get it Lowe's, Home Depot, your neighborhood store. We are going to put in a second type of flooring in the kitchen area. We decided to go with a laminate flooring. So we got a wood snap flooring, and then we've got a laminate. It's an adhesive connection flooring, easy, do it yourself. And we wanted to go in the kitchen because you've got the dishwasher and the sink, and you've got some wet areas that it needs to have a little more water resistance. So I'd recommend that you get some, for putting this flooring down, even 1 or 2 rooms, it's good to have some knee pads. It'll really help you with your knees, hips, back. It's surprising what happens if you don't have them. I used for the wood cutting, I used a miter saw. You can use a hand saw, whatever you're comfortable with or whatever you have. Miter saw is quick, square. And then for the laminate flooring, you cut that with a razor blade, get a good straight edge. Don't cut yourself, and just do a good straight edge cut with your alternating. Let me show you how we did it. Too heavy. Can you pick up that edge? I mean, I'd be able to roll it out. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Ironing board, huh? Snowboard. Yeah. Right.
All right, so we're going to start. We rolled out this purple padded stuff. You can buy this with whatever type of click flooring you buy. Here's like a Quickstep. Made by Uniclic, whatever type you buy. Any one of these quick floors come in, and we started out in the corner with a full piece, and you don't want to match the joint, so we went with this is like 36, we went with we cut 12 inches off of one, or 14 inches, and then that one's just, don't want to be less than a foot on an end, but see, now they're staggered joints. So then once you get started, you just snap these pieces right in, just like that. So this is a floating floor. So get the first few pieces and get it started, and then you could always just slide it around and adjust and you want to keep about a 1/4 inch on each end for expansion and contraction. You can see here Derek is popping in the first piece. You want to make the first piece in tight, push it in tight. Then you want to get that end joint tight. So we'll take this piece here, and we'll just put it on this edge and tap it.
It's kind of, when I
We'll
push it down
on
it's
it,
stuck.
and then we'll tap that end of it. Watch it disappear. Just by tapping lightly on that end. Once you get the process going, one person can be cutting, the other just installing pieces, rolling out the purple.
And I mentioned floating floor. That means it's not attached or glued to the floor. It kind of shifts. So once you see the boards along the edge of the wall, it leaves about a 1/4 inch gap off the wall for an expansion and contraction. That's what I mean by that. And you see how Derek also, I want to note, you see how Derek's using that hammer with a piece of board to protect the ends, because it is the finished product.
That'll finish up. We had enough just to do this fireplace room. It'll be a wood. We'll paint this white, probably. That's how you do it. Finished this up yesterday, and what we did, we ran out of this material, which is a laminate wood. And we figured that we needed, for the wet areas of the kitchen, this needs to be a laminate water resistant. So we bought a similar color for the transition, and that'll move into the kitchen area. And this is an oak finish, which matches the existing house oak, and it'll be a better run throughout the kitchen all the way down the hallway. We're moving along pretty quick here. This goes down this laminate adhesive strips connections seem to go down much quicker, but we have to go around corners and intricate cuts. This adhesive strip, there, let me take a look at this. So it's a sticky, tacky strip. So you put it down against the next piece and you make sure that the joints are tight. And this is a water resistant, so in the kitchen area it's much better if you spill water from the dishwasher, etc. And so you can use this, it's a TrafficMaster grip strip flooring from Home Depot. And we chose this oak color. It's mediocre priced. I think it's like $1.79 a square foot. There's your transition. Finish that up. We'll have to put some quarter round. We've done quarter round around the perimeter of the bigger room, and we'll paint the paneling. Decided to go ahead and paint the paneling white, and so that quarter round and match it all up. And then we're going to remodel this kitchen eventually, but for now we've got the laminate tile in. We'll trim that threshold up. So here's your transition. And so the oak flooring from the rest of the house is there. Well, there you have it. It's pretty straightforward. Do it yourself. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Subscribe to my channel, and ask some questions. I love to hear the comments or questions if you have them. I hope I can help you.